Hey everybody, Mr. Youngman here. Today we're going to take a really quick look at This Is Sand. I'm going to go to the Play Now button on the link provided on Google Classroom, and you'll see here that I already have a design that I have started. So the way that this website works, the way This Is Sand works, is that we're able to drop little grains of sand just by clicking and dragging on our mouse to sprinkle some sand, and it's just going to slowly build up from the bottom of your screen and build up and build up. We're able to change to different colors on our design here by clicking on this dot at the top right corner of the screen and then changing the color here. So maybe I want a very nice like light, how about some purples in here? Let's get some purples in here, some light purples. I'm just going to hold down on my mouse and sprinkle some of this nice purple onto the top of my design here. And I find that it can be really helpful to have kind of some idea of like pictures in your mind of things that you see in your everyday life. I started off on this design here by just kind of thinking of the colors that I see at a beach. So we have some dark blues of the ocean, some lighter blues of the ocean, white caps, some sand, and the oranges of like a deeper, richer sand. And then it sort of evolved over time to where I'm starting to think of this as like maybe the colors of a dawn or something like that. So these designs really are able to kind of take on a life of their own after you start designing them, but just having that idea of something in your mind that can inspire you to start off is really, really helpful. To save our work on this website, we're going to go to the check mark at the top left of the screen. And one really important note here is that if you don't put on enough sand on your design, it will not let you save, it will not let you download. So this is really important. Now for our nickname here, just do your initials. So I'm going to do MY for mine, and the caption doesn't really matter too much, so I'm just going to write sand. I'll go ahead and click on download right here, and you'll see that this has downloaded our image. I'm going to go to Finder on my computer here. We'll go to Downloads, and then at the top of our downloads, we should see our design that we have created. We can verify it's the right one just by pressing spacebar, and you'll see your finished design. Upload this onto Google Classroom, and you'll be all set for this assignment. If for some reason you don't see your file in your downloads, just hit Date Added a couple times, and it should show up at the top. Or if your screen doesn't look quite like mine, that's okay. Just make sure you're hitting this dot and line icon at the top of your screen, at the top of Finder, in order to get into this view, and then hit that Date Added a couple times, and once again, we should see our design appear somewhere at the top. Get that loaded onto Google Classroom, and you are all set. I hope you have fun experimenting with this cool, creative online tool, and I will see you all back in class. Bye now.